Hi, I'm Mike from 1A Auto. We've been selling auto parts for over 30 years.
What's up, guys? We're going to be installing some ignition coils from 1AAuto.com on this 2009 Honda CR-V. If you need coils for your vehicle, check out 1AAuto.com. Open the hood over near the footrest on the left. Just pull that lever right there. We're going to open the hood. There's a latch release right there. And then pull the prop rod up. Insert it right there. Now there's a cover that goes over the coils and the spark plugs over here. So we want to take these 10mm nuts off, or bolts. We use a 10mm socket and a ratchet. These are on pretty tight. This one is starting to lift the cover. I'm assuming it's taking the stud out with it, so I'm going to loosen the other ones up. And now they're all loose. Now we can pull the cover off. These back ones, we can pull these out so we don't drop them. And then, see, these studs came up with the cover. It just spun. This normally just the cap should come off. But they're badly corroded and rusted, so that's okay. These are your coil packs right here. These two studs came out with the cover, so if your studs stayed in the vehicle, you would have to remove those at this time. It's gonna be kind of hard to unplug the connector right here, so before we do that, we'll pull this 10mm bolt out. I'm gonna use a little extension to help get in there a little bit better. I'll break that free with a 10mm socket and a ratchet. Once it's loose, it's pretty easy to do it by hand. And pull that bolt out. We're going to grab the coil pack and twist it a little bit. Pull it straight up. Once it's about this location, we can push down on this lock on the connector and pull the connector off. And pull the coil pack out. Here's our old coil. Here's our new coil from 1AAuto.com. The connectors are the same. The length of the tubes are the same. The bottom is the same. Get yours at 1AAuto.com and you'll be ready to rock and roll. I'm going to install this coil pack. Slide it down. When you get about halfway, we're going to plug it in to the connector. Line that up. Lock it in. And we'll push it the rest of the way down. We're going to install the coil bolt. Line it up. Get that started. Then we're going to torque this to 12 Newton meters, or about 105 inch-pounds. We're going to repeat these same steps for the remaining 3 coils. So our studs were stuck in the cover, and I'm not gonna try to get these to break free because they're frozen pretty good. We could end up breaking them, but if you had the studs come out, then you would have torqued those 2 bolts. But if yours are like ours, we'll just line those up in the holes. Get those started. We got those started. We'll get these back bolts started. So we'll torque these 2 to 105 inch-pounds. And these 2 back ones, we'll just snug those up with a socket and a ratchet. Remove the prop rod, pull it out, put it back in its location, push it down, close the hood.
Thanks for watching. Visit us at 1AAuto.com for quality auto parts, fast and free shipping, and the best customer service in the industry.